welcome to WinFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. This is how I made $20,000 plus per day trading US30 USD called on GBPUSD. Okay, let me take you to the chart and start with US30. You see, this signal was a sniper cell signal sent to the VIP. You can see that we actually traded a supply zone. Simple. Now I will take you to USD card, how we actually get the signal. You can see in the H4, we also traded another supply zone, very strong and very powerful. Okay, then how do we get the signal on USD? I'm sorry, GBP USD. You see what really happened? This market actually meet a demand zone right here. This is a very strong demand zone. So we join the buy near here. You can actually do the same thing. You can literally do the same thing. You can literally make this money with us. Not just that we want to show off, no, but we just feel like helping the community, people that have been losing, people that have been doing so badly in the market. They cannot boast of achieving anything on monthly or weekly basis, even yearly basis. All you need to do is to enroll on our VIP signal channel where we relay signals on Forex, synthetic, boom and crash. I think it's good. You need to just calm down and trust on somebody that is expert, and you will see your life will change. Okay? So thank you. Take action. Bye for now.